I'm so lonesome tonight. I just wonder where you are and what you're doing. And you know, girl, the thing that worries me most is actually who you're doing it with. That's why, if you don't mind, I'd like to sing this little tune for you. If you can take a little bit of your busy life to pardon these words. Oh, it's crying time again. You gonna leave me. I can see that faraway look in your eye. I can tell about the way you hold me, darling, that it won't be long before it's crying time. Now they say that absence makes a heart grow fonder, and the tears are only rain to make love grow. But my love for you could never grow no stronger if I live to be 100 years old. Primož, play one, just one, but sexy if you can. Yes. All right. Hell yeah. Are you married, baby? It's crying time again. You gonna leave me. I can see that faraway look in your eyes. I can tell what a way you hold me, darling. Oh yeah, that it won't be long before it's crying time. No, it won't be long before it's crying